Okay, so today we'll do rank variance per country. So this question says us to compare the total number of comments made by user in each country between December 19 and January 20, and for each month rank the country by total comments using dense rank in descending order. Okay, and then return the name of the country whose rank improved. Okay, and we are given with two columns, FB comment count and FB active users. So first thing we'll just concatenate with full table as this, and we'll do select and from join FB AU on what? On user ID. On user ID and user ID, but this was for CC and AU, and we need countries, we need date, month. So we'll do AU dot country as country, and we need only month of the data. So created at, I think it was, let me see, yes, created at, so created at as month num, and we need total comments. Other columns are not very useful since we are asked to rank the countries by the total comments, so there is no need for users and other columns which are given here. So we'll just do some number of comments as total comments, and we'll do select strict from full table. We'll run it. We got this. Okay, so we forgot group by country and month. Created at. Okay, now we got, but in this we also get the dates that are not between this range. So we'll do where created at is greater than 2019 12 and 01, and created at less than or equals to 2020 01 31. Okay, now we got this. Now it's asking for the dense rank in descending order, so we'll make another subquery, dense rank as select asterisk dense rank over partition by month num, and order by total comments in descending order as rank. So we'll partition the month order partition will give the dense rank, and we'll partition it by month number, and we'll order it by total comments in descending order. So let's check this one. Oh, I forgot to add from full table dense rank. Run from rank 12. We made one error. Okay. Yes. But it's not ordered by the country or the month. So we'll order it by country and month. Order by month num and country. Run. Yes. Now we got. Okay. I think we made no. I think this is okay. Now we want to see if it improved. So what we'll do, we'll use lag table. So we'll make the lag table as select all lag. We'll use rank to get the previous value over partition by country as lag dash, or we can do previous so that it's table, and we'll do lag table. We made one mistake. Dense rank. Okay, so we got the previous rank according to the ranks. So this was the previous, and we can see only one has improved. So we'll use this as our where clause, where is greater than previous. If it's greater than previous, it would mean the number of comments has increased. We can also check by manually. As you can see, the total number of comments 6 to 5 from January to December. It has only reduced, and there is a pattern that if it's reduced, it's less than or it's equal to. So yes, but in this case Mali, it has increased. Our previous rank is less than our next row rank. So we'll run, and we got Mali, but we only needed what's the expected output. It's country only. Okay, so we'll use country, run, and yes, our output is correct. I have done this in multiple subqueries. You could do in one go or two go. There is not much question about this. There are multiple approach to doing this question. You can go to solutions from user, as you can see. So yes, thanks for watching. I hope it was clear.